In this video, let us see the features of C programming. First feature is your high-level programming language. High-level programming language is nothing but it is a type of language which can be understandable by the humans but not by the computer. To be more precise, it is written in an English notation. So basically, English notation can be of different types like your alphanumeric numbers, alphabets and something else. So the first feature is nothing but to make ourselves understandable the code. That particular code is written in English language. Later on it will get into your binary level, that is binary code in sets of zeros and ones. So this is your first feature of your C programming. Now let us go to the next one. It is called as small language. Why it is called as small language? Because it has only 32 keywords. Next one. It is a core language and it is portable, which means that we can run on different machines and it's not machine dependent. So portable is nothing but you can try this language on different platforms and some systems. Next one. It has built-in functions and operators. We all know what we have all are in our built-in functions. For example, you have something as hash include, stdio.h, which means that I am doing my library function as standard input and output. To get my inputs and outputs, I will be using this particular header file. In the same way, I will use my next header file as hash include stdlib.h, which means that I will be doing my function with strings, standard strings, nothing but string library functions. So what is built-in functions? Built-in functions are nothing but these functions are already defined and present in library. So this is called as your library. Next point is it is your structured language. Structured language is nothing but it has some sections like link section, documentation section, preprocessor section. Like that you will have some particular sessions. Now again it supports modular programming. Modular programming is nothing but it follows some flow. So this is your next feature. It supports the use of pointers. What are pointers? Pointers are nothing but we can directly access the memory. So this is one of the best feature. Next one, it is an extensible language. Extensible language is nothing but whenever we are writing a C programming, we can create our own functions. So this is what an extensible language means. Next one, compilation and execution is faster. So our next feature is about supports dynamic memory allocation. That is, we can free the memory by calling a function free. For example, you are holding some data. I have some data in a variable as 20. Now if I want to completely freeze this particular variable, I will call a function called free and do the particular operation. Next one, it is case sensitive. Case sensitive, it's nothing but it will be having some rules and procedures to where to use capital letters and your small letters. Next one, it is used to develop and operate embedded systems. And next one, the last feature is nothing but it is a platform dependent language. So in our next video, let us see what is meant by an algorithm. Thanks for watching.